Okay, you're gonna learn how to do this crazy outfit transition in just 20 seconds. Come with me. For the first clip, you're gonna record yourself standing and holding a piece of clothing. Then let it drop. Grab the second piece of clothing and let it drop again. Do the exact same thing for the third and fourth piece of clothing and then drop to the ground. Now for the second clip, change into the outfit you just dropped, come back and stand in the same spot and drop to the floor again. Stand back up, show yourself, do your thing. Next, input both clips inside of CapCut and go to the first clip. Right when the first piece of clothing is about to leave your hand, hit split and delete the piece in the back. Then go to right when it hits the floor, hit split again. Scrub forward to the second piece right when it's about to leave your hand again, hit split and delete the piece in the back. Scrub forward to right when it hits the floor, hit split again. Do the exact same thing for the two other pieces in the front. Then go to right when you go down, hit split and delete the piece in the front. Go to the second clip and find the exact same position, hit split and delete the piece in the back. Go to where you want your reel to end, hit split and delete the piece in the front. Now export your video and enjoy. Follow me for more tutorials like this.
Don't change.